Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn set operations. So in the previous video we have already learned two operations, union of sets and interaction of set. So for union of two sets we need to make use of add all method, and for the intersection of sets we need to make use of return all method. In this video we are going to learn difference of sets. So to calculate the difference between two sets means the number of elements which are different in the sets that we want to calculate, we can make use of removeall method. So let's first understand the difference of set. So here I have two set, they are HashSet, and inside this HashSet we have three values added. For set 1 we have 135, and for set 2 we have values as 235, and we are printing those two HashSet here. Now we want to calculate the difference of two sets. So to calculate the difference we have the removeall method. So here if I want to calculate the difference of set 1 with set 2, so I will say removeall, and then I need to provide set 2, and then I will print set 1. This is out set 1. Let me run this code first. So here we are getting 1. So why we are getting here? Because in set 1 we have values 135, in set 2 we have values 235, and what we are saying, set 1 dot remove all set 2. So whatever values are present or common between these two will get removed. So two values were common, right? 3 and 5. So these are removed from set 1 and we are getting 1 here. Now if I interchange the values, let's say set 2 dot remove all set 1, and then we will print set 2. Now in this case what will happen? The common values which are present for set 1 and set 2. So these are the common values 3 and 5. So this time only 2 will get printed, right? If I run this code, you see we are getting here 2. So in this way you can calculate the difference between two sets. Another method we want to check here is subset. To check if a set is a subset of another set or not, we can use the containsall method. So containsall method is used to check whether particular set is a subset of another or not. What is the meaning of subset? It means all the elements of that set are present inside another set or not. Let's check that. So let's say we want to check whether set 2 is a subset. We want to make use of containsall method, right? Containsall set 1. As this containsall will return us the boolean value, right? So we can directly print it here. So I will copy this statement, paste it here. Let's run this code. So we are getting here false because set 2 is not a subset of set 1, right? Because it only contains two elements of set 1, but 2 is not present in set 1. So it is not a subset. Let me make it a subset here. So we will say 135, and let me add one more value here, set 1 dot add, let's say 10. Let's run this code. So set 1 is having values 1, 3, 5 and 10, and set 2 is having 1, 3 and 5. So here we are getting as false. So why we are getting here false? Because in set 2 we have the values 1, 3, 5, and in set 1 we have the values 1, 3, 5 and 10. 10 is not present in set 2, right? So if I interchange the values here, set 1 dot contains all of set 2. So this will be true. See, this is true. So basically in this way you can read that set 1 contains all values of set 2. Is it true? 135, 135. So it is true, right? But the opposite is not true. If I say here set 2 contains all values of set 1. No, because 10 is not available here in set 2. So if I run this code, it will give me false. So these are the two important methods here, removeall and containsall. Removeall is used to get the difference of set, and containsall is used to check whether a particular set is a subset of another or not. So that's it in this video. We will see another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.